Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this Realme. Start by opening Settings and choosing App Management section over here. Then you need to click on App Cloner and click on one of the available apps. I will go with Facebook. Then tap on this switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Now click on Rename App Clone and rename your app if you wish to. I will go with F2. Then save your changes by clicking on the check mark at the top right corner. Now when I go back and try to find Facebook app, as you can see mine was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!